when it comes to keeping your homes cool, our next guest knows a thing or two about how to do that and do it pretty well with your HVAC system and so much more. Let's welcome to Living 757, Mr. John Gordon. How you doing, bro?
Great, how are you doing?
Well, I'm doing fine. We were just talking, in between the break. Welcome back to the show. Like, you were on Cox Channel 11 when it was Cox Channel 11 back in the day.
Long time ago.
Yeah, I knew you looked familiar. Very famous. Now, I have to ask you, you guys, your company has proudly served this Hampton Roads area since 1994. Okay,
yes, sir.
Over 30 years. So what special tips do you have for people maintaining their HVAC systems over that time period?
Just gotta, just like anything else, it needs proper maintenance. So having a maintenance plan on your equipment, it's very important. Changing your air filters regularly.
Yeah.
Making sure keep debris away from the outdoor units.
Yeah. It makes
lots of little things you can do as a homeowner. Make sure it's working appropriately.
Gotcha. Well, I do have to say this. Usually this studio is kind of warm, so they must have turned the AC on today. So I appreciate that.
Well, actually, we've got a unit running right here. This is
where the air is coming from.
Yes, sir.
I didn't even know is it running?
Yes, sir. It's on, nice and quiet.
I don't even know if y'all can hear that. So these systems, this system especially, so the fan, if the camera gets a picture of this, the fan is turning, but you don't even hear it.
Right. This is basically it's a mini split, what we call them, ductless.
Okay.
And these are used. We use these a lot in those weird spaces that never are comfortable in your home.
Yeah.
So like the room over the garage, or some people put them in their garage.
Wow.
A lot of home offices, people made home offices. This is a way to keep it a separate temperature from the rest of the home.
Yeah.
So these are great systems to get that weird space
and that's
comfortable, and it's nice and quiet.
Right, and that's a train, right?
Yes, sir.
That's a pretty tough product there, right?
Absolutely.
All the trains. Okay, so now you have the cool part taken care of. Now, what types of other services do you guys offer? Because you have a plethora of other services.
Well, we're a full-service mechanical company, so we also take care of plumbing and electrical as well.
Gotcha.
So we got a tankless water heater right here.
That's what a tankless water heater looks like.
That's never-ending hot water. So
wow.
You can take showers all day long and never run out of hot water. I have one at my house. It's great.
So versus the cylinder,
right, where once you run out of hot water, it takes a while to regain. This is
never-ending.
Well,
if you have a house full of ladies, it's exactly what happens to be all the time. It's the last one to take a shower.
Yeah.
All right, so this is what I need to invest in, right? And this can go in the attic or in the garage, right?
They have them for, this is an interior model. This can go in attic, inside a garage. We also make an exterior model that goes on the outside of the home. So it depends on your setup. And we provide free estimates for tankless water heater installations.
All right, consider my estimate in the book. All right, cool. Now, so what is this right here?
So this guy right here, this is a whole home standby generator. So this will keep the lights on for you when you have bad weather or just grid problems. So this is a way to keep your home comfortable.
And this stays like above ground, or do y'all put that underground?
Yes, sir. This goes right outside your home. We normally put it on a concrete pad.
Okay.
And then when the power goes out, it will automatically come on, power your home.
Yeah.
So you'll still be able to use your AC.
Cool AC.
All right. Have your internet up and running. Be able to watch your TV.
Okay. All right. See, you look
life
like
as
you
usual.
know. You look like you know a lot there, John. Let me got a couple of questions to see, because y'all's motto is, let me make sure I read the motto right. You guys live by the words, we can fix that.
We can fix that for you.
Okay. All right. I don't even know what that means, man, because I thought I was already together, John. All right. So check this out. The filtered water dispenser on my sink got stuck in the on position and won't turn off. Okay, so we're taking turns drinking the water so it won't flood, but we're all out of water. So can you fix that?
We can fix that.
How?
We'll get a plumber out to your home.
Okay.
And take a look at that faucet for you, find out why it's not shutting off.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, so you guys can fix it. I'm just throwing stuff all over your equipment, John. I'm so sorry, but it's so cool right now. Now, John, my carburetor is stuck. In the carburetor stuck position. Can you fix that?
I got a guy. I know a guy. Yeah, so we don't actually fix the carburetor part on your car, but we know some people that can help you.
Okay, all right, cool. So here's a real one. I use my mad skills. I don't know who wrote this, but I used my mad skills and changed out the light switch in my wife's closet. Now, every time she turns the light on, she gets a little shock. Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Did I do that on purpose?
We can fix that. You might cross something up there.
I might have crossed something
Might
up.
have crossed
All right,
something up
well,
there.
my skills were mad. All right. Next, my downstairs toilet has been clogged for a couple of days. And when I went to unclog it, instead of too much paper, I found a snake living in there. Have
Ooh.
you ever come across a snake living?
Not a snake living in the toilet, no. But
Right.
yeah, we can fix the toilet part. The snake part, you're on your own.
The snake part, you're on your own. Now, really quick, we'll put your information up there on the screen. Do you guys have any deals or anything that's going on for people to contact you?
Actually, we always are running specials. We have them listed on our website. If you visit us at AmericanMechanicalVA.com, we would be able to have some deals on there for you. Feel free to reach out anytime, and those constantly change. So check us out.
Awesome. John is cool as the other side of the pillow. Thank you so much, John, for
Appreciate
stopping
it.
by. Now, we got to go to commercial break and forget all the safety from all these cards. When we come back, we're going to be messing with our safety taste buds. And so that don't even make sense, but just stay right there and find out why.